morning. Thank you for calling the Grand Hotel Manila. This is Glenn from the front desk. How may I assist you today?
Good morning. I'd like to reserve a room.
Certainly, ma'am. May I have your full name, please?
My name is Monica Cuenca.
Thank you, Miss Cuento. Just to make sure I have it correctly, may I confirm the spelling is that Monica for your first name and Cuento for your last name.
Yes, that's correct.
May I know your preferred check-in and check-out dates, ma'am?
I'll check in on September 22 and I'll check out on September 25.
So that will be 2 nights. May I ask how many guests will be staying with you?
There will be 2 of us.
Thank you, ma'am. For September 22 to 25, we have different room categories available. Standard room at 2,500 per night, good for 2 person. Deluxe room at 3,800 per night, also for 2 person. Suite room at 5,250 per night, for up to 3 person. All rates includes complimentary breakfast, Wi-Fi, and use of hotel facilities. Which room would you prefer?
I'll take the deluxe.
Great choice, ma'am. So that will be 1 deluxe room for 2 nights, September 22 to 25, at 3,800 per night. Shall I confirm that for you?
Yes, please. Confirm it.
May I have your mobile number and email address so we can send the booking confirmation slip?
My number is 09311-681-317 and my email is monicacuento@gmail.com.
Thank you, ma'am. Just to verify, your mobile number is 09311-681-317 and your email is monicacuento@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Your reservation will require a one-night deposit. You may settle it via GCash transfer, bank deposit, PPI or BDO, major credit card, Visa, MasterCard. May I ask your preferred pay?
I'll use GCash.
Perfect, ma'am. We will send our official GCash details to your email and mobile. Please settle the deposit within 24 hours. Once payment is received, we'll email you the official confirmation and deposit receipt.
Okay, I'll do that.
Let me repeat your reservation details, Miss Cuento. Guest name, Monica Cuento. Check-in dates, September 22, 2025. Check-out dates, September 25, 2025. Number of nights, 3. Room types, 1 deluxe room, 3,800 per night. Number of guests, 2. Inclusion, breakfast and Wi-Fi. Contact number, 09311-681317. Email, monicacuento@gmail.com. Payment method, GCash to be settled within 24 hours. Is everything correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you very much, Miss Cuento. We look forward to welcome you on September 22. Once we receive your deposit, we will send your official confirmation. If you have any special requests, please don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for choosing the Grand Hotel Manila and have a pleasant day.
Thank you. Have a good day too.